guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are fine, and this is our last video of 2020 and I have come with a new concept, and that is I'm doing some experiments, some science experiments. And if you like my experiments, so please do click on like button and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get all the notifications ताकि आप मेरी कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना कर पाओ. So let's start with the first experiment. So friends, the first experiment is we need plate, candle, water. I have mixed the blue color in water. You can use food color or paint color, one glass and one matchbox. And now first we need plate, and I will keep this candle in between of the plate, and now I will fill this water. I will fill this plate with water, blue water. And now I will burn this candle. You have to be careful. So I have burned the candle. So now I will just keep this glass on the candle like this. And the candle is blown off. And as you can see, the water is coming up. As you can see, the water is coming up. Guys, you know what is the reason behind it? When oxygen is finished, fire is blown off. After that, temperature and pressure decreases inside the glass. That's a water inside. So this is the reason behind it. So now let's come to second experiment. In second experiment, the second experiment is called secret message. I have taken these two papers, white water and one pencil, and now I will take this rectangle paper, first paper, and now I will just wet this paper with water like this. More water like this. And now I will take this second paper and keep it on this like this. अच्छे से करना है इसको. You have to push this like this. You have to push it, and now you can write anything on this paper. Like I am writing, you wish you have to write it dark and dark. I am writing, hello guys, So now I have write hello guys, happy new year, and I have drawn one heart. And now I will just take this first layer of the paper and I will just throw this. We have not used of this paper, and now I will use this first paper. I will keep this paper in front of the heater. You can also keep in front of the sun. I have kept the paper in front of the blower, and now it is invisible, as you can see, but H letter can see. And now you can give it to your parents or a family or a friends, and now I will just take water on my fingers, and now I will as you can see the letters are coming out like this. And now guys, you can see, wow, it's looking very, it's the best experiment I have ever done. You can see the letters now, and I can see all the things like hello guys, happy new year. You can also give it to your friends or your family. This is called secret message or invisible message, you can say. So this is our third experiment, and now in third experiment we need one glove, vinegar and baking soda. First I will take this vinegar and fill the glass with the vinegar, and now I will take this baking soda. I will take only 2 spoons and see how it reacts. And I will take this glove and cover it. And I will and let's see how it reacts. And now it will take some time. As you can see, the glove has air in it. It is reacting. It will just take some time. Friends, see, it's reacting. हो रहा है friends ये. Let's see if हाथ खड़ा हो गया एकदम. So friends, this was the third experiment. End of our video. I hope you enjoyed a lot. You can do these experiments in your home in your corona time period. So friends, please do subscribe my channel, like and share this video. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. So meet you in next video. Tab tak ke liye goodbye.